Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are talking about how to get GoHighLevel SaaS clients for free. I mean on Autopilot. If you are running a SaaS with GoHighLevel, you want new clients, but maybe you don't want to spend money on ads. I will explain in simple strategies that can bring clients automatically. So you can spend time working, not chasing clients. Also, I will put links in the description below to GoHighLevel official site and some helpful tips or maybe information update if anything changes later. So check that out. First, let me explain what GoHighLevel is. It is a tool that helps agencies or freelancers to run SaaS with funnels, CRM, SMS, email, calendar, all in one place. Now, GoHighLevel added more template, AI chat help, and easier client onboarding pages. Now, how to get free clients on Autopilot? I will talk through these steps as I would say them in real life. So first, you create a helpful template like a free template or guide that speaks to your audience. For example, if you help small gyms, you can make a free lead magnet like about how gyms can get more clients using funnels. So make it simple, or you can make a PDF or a video and explain step by step. Then you can share it in places where your potential clients hang out, like online group, forum, social media, or your website too. Next, you set up an automated funnel using GoHighLevel. You connect the free guide to sign up form. When someone enters their email, they will get the guide. At the same time, GoHighLevel will capture the information and enters them into a nurturing sequence. Maybe you send one email that says, hey, thanks for the guide, here is a tip for you. Then a second email a few days later with another tip. And then a message that says, if you would like help setting it up, reply to this mail. All this happen automatically, so you don't have to more push. Another step is to offer a free audit or demo. After they open your email, you invite them to a free call. You schedule it through GoHighLevel's calendar link. This will run automatically. You don't have to chase them. They come in by interest. You just show up on the call and give value and offer your service. Also, you can set up automated reminders. If someone sign up but doesn't book the call, GoHighLevel can send a reminder email or SMS. Again, all on Autopilot. So make a helpful free things like a free guide or something like that and share it wherever your audience is. And you can use GoHighLevel to capture email and nurture leads automatically. Then invite them to a call with easy scheduling or reminders. It all works even when you sleep. Now in the present time, with GoHighLevel's new templates and AI help, you can even use pre-built funnels and automated messages to save time. So you are using the power of the platform and offering value without paying for ads. So I hope now you understand how you can get free client and obviously on automatically, and hope this video helped you to understand how you can get client. So if this did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.